Hi everyone, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica, and today we're going to talk about how to store your kids' schoolwork, important schoolwork, artwork, and in a fun, creative way. So let's get into it. Okay, so I went to Walmart and I picked up these file cabinet like bins. Okay, so they're nice, they're compact. As you can see, easy to fit into a closet or a pantry or wherever you need it to go, okay? But it lifts up, okay? And inside, what I did is I put file hangers, okay? And how I did this, you know, to me, I think that for the most part, your kids through the 6th grade are going to have the most, you know, artwork, things you're not going to save every piece of art that your children do, although I must admit I have a huge tub for both of my kids out in the garage, and I just can't get rid of it. But I wish I would have thought of something like this when my kids were little, because I think saving just, you know, real memorable pieces. I know that with my kids in the Montessori, they would do tracing of maps. They would call them the map works, and they would take so much time and you know, just so detailed, and they would outline and trace each state or the country or all the names and all that kind of stuff, and they would color it in, and it would just be like a work that they worked on for a week. And I mean, those are the kind of things that I would have saved. Well, I did save, but I would have saved in something like this. And so what I did is I just figured for my grandkids, we're gonna do pre-K all the way to 6th grade. Because I think that after 6th grade, you may keep the report cards and that kind of stuff, or, you know, progress reports and those type of things, but they're probably not gonna have artwork like that so much in 7th, 8th, 9th, and up. You know what I mean? And then if they do, and you want to do the same system, but you just do it through, you know, 7 through 12 or whatever, you know, whatever works for your family. My grandkids are in Montessori as well, so, you know, I'm saying pre-K being their toddler, their primary, all that kind of stuff, and then through the grades. So we did ours pre-K to 6th grade. And so what the plan will be is, you know, any of their progress reports, their school reports, all that kind of stuff will be saved in each grade. So in each file holder, like this is pre-K, so any of her toddler, well this is my granddaughter's, any of the toddler, you know, like report cards or any of that kind of stuff, or just progress reports telling how her growth is, all that kind of stuff will go in here. And then any kind of fun little art pieces that, you know, or pictures she paints or that kind of stuff, we will, her mom, you know, and dad, they display them, but then after they're done and a new one comes in, they can put them in here, and it's just an easy way for them to go back and take a look. And then it goes all the way up to 6th grade. And it's got plenty of room to expand and all that kind of stuff. So I think this is a really fun, creative way, and keep it nice and organized and tidy. Everything has a place, and everything, you know, isn't just strewn around the house, or, you know, in the pantry just stacked up paper by paper. So I think this is going to be a really great way. You know, we're all talking about back to school, and we're talking about how that's going to look for everybody. And you know what? My thoughts on it are, parents, you have to just do what you need to do and what feels right to you. You know what I mean? I don't think there's any one person that can tell you you're right or you're wrong, or, you know what I mean? You have to do what's right and what you feels right for your family and for your child or children. We are blessed in the sense that, you know, we are in Arizona, so our numbers are pretty high. We've had a really tough go of it this last month. You know, and the school system is a little iffy right now as far as how long they're going to delay. We are lucky in the sense that they are in a private Montessori school that has the capability of keeping distance, and they're only, you know, their classmates are only the ones that they see and their teachers, and they're not interacting. It's gonna be different, but I feel like it's gonna be safe, you know, and I feel like it's a safe opportunity for them to go back and be around other people and in a learning environment. If that changes, you know, then we have at-home learning capabilities as well. So, you know, I just recommend you don't let anybody bully you or tell you what's the right or wrong thing to do. Just do what your mama and your daddy and your Mimi and grandpa, you know, hearts tell you what is the right thing to do, and do that, because at the end of the day, that's the only person that has any right, or, you know, that you're the one that has to live with your decisions. So you have to make the best decisions that you feel good about. But, you know, this kind of situation could work with at-home learning, you know, because you're still going to have papers, you're going to have art, you're going to have different stuff that you need to keep. So, you know, this kind of system would be good for either way. And then just the other thing I wanted to touch on is, you know, make it fun. Make it fun and special. And, you know, both my grandkids have a box. So this is my granddaughter's. And I just took the Cricut and did, you know, names and pre-K 6 through 6th grade keepsake box, you know, on the Cricut. And then I just took fun stickers and that kind of thing just to decorate it. So, you know, they have, it's their own, you know, and just kind of, you know, I put believe up here. On my grandsons, let me give you a look at my grandsons. I have laugh up here, you know, and I have his name and first day of school and friends and sports. He's a little bit older, you know what I mean? So his looks a little different, but just make it fun. Let them help you decorate it. Or, you know, if they have, you know, you could put pictures of them, you know, like doing sports or something like that, and maybe you need to put a little glue on it to make it stick, but personalize it, make it fun, make it a fun family art project, you know, that would be cool. You know, I chose black just because I think it looked a little cleaner, and it looked, you didn't see, you know, the clear ones you can kind of see in, kind of like the top here, and that's fine. I mean, if you're going to be really organized and keep it really nice and neat, but I just thought this was a sleeker kind of look, kind of hides maybe if things are a little messy inside. So anyhow, but there's, you know, there's white, there's clear, there's black. You might even be able to find colors, you know, maybe each child has a color. Just, you know, be creative and try new things. But I just wanted to share this cute little idea and encourage you to, you know, maybe get out and do something like this. Make it, like I said, a family project, and, you know, keep everything nice and neat. You know, being organized doesn't have to be boring or, you know, be a dread. It can be fun, and everything's in its place, and everything has a home, and that's the whole idea of organizing. So I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration and gave you a good idea to get out there and try this. Please make sure you tag me with maybe baskets or bins that you've made and what your guys's turned out. I would love to see. Make sure you check out my Instagram handle and follow me there, and tag me on any of the projects you do. I'd love to see them. Have a great day. Thank you for taking a few minutes of your time, of your day, to watch this, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit your notification and all, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.